playing cards. Power down your Alcatel Idol 4S phone. Eject the SIM and microSD card tray. The Idol 4S rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the metallic frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the adhesive and carefully dislodge the rear panel from the phone. The panel is still connected to the Idol 4S by a cable, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. With the spudger in hand, detach the cable for the Alcatel Idol 4S fingerprint sensor and free the glass panel. Use the precision knife to peel up the speaker grills. Pry up the plastic bezel. Detach the Idol 4S battery from the motherboard. Remove the following 13 Phillips screws. Disconnect the bevy of cables from the Alcatel Idol 4S motherboard. Spudge up the module that includes the stereo-enabling earpiece speaker, antenna, and notification LED. Easily extract the motherboard from the Alcatel smartphone. Remove the 8-megapixel Idol 4S front-facing selfie camera. Use the spudger to detach the 16-megapixel Alcatel Idol 4S dual-lens rear-facing camera with autofocus. Tweeze out the assembly that includes the 3.5mm headphone jack, power button switch, proximity sensor, and noise-canceling microphone. Locate the two peel to remove adhesive tabs at the top of the Idol 4S battery. Grab the first tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the Alcatel phone. The strips will stretch to many times the length of the battery. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the mid-frame. Pop off the loudspeaker box. Locate and peel out the last peel to remove tab at the bottom of the battery. Easily lift out the 3000 mAh Alcatel Idol 4S battery. Peel up the interconnect cable. Remove the coaxial cable from the side of the Idol 4S midframe. Pry the vibrator up from the chassis, but do not remove it as it's soldered to the daughter board. Use the tweezers to free the Idol 4S daughter board It includes the micro USB port, vibrator, spring contacts, control hardware, and microphone. Remove the power button cover. Begin to free the Alcatel Idle 4S display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive securing it to the midframe. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. Use the triangle opening tool to attack the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable when decoupling the Idle 4S screen from the midframe.